How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Forest River Sierra Destination Trailer. This is going to be their 388JW floor plan. At the front, you can see that we do have some windows covered up for transport. You also have your propane tanks, battery, and manual tongue jack. One slide out on the campsite here, which really isn't too bad. You have a really big awning up top there, as well as a sliding glass door. We have dual axle on this guy, but if we take a step on the inside, we're gonna go into the kitchen right away. So you can check out this massive kitchen island that we have. Nice little pop out on the end to give you a little bit of extra prep room. Single basin sink, residential style fridge with an ice maker. You have a 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, really big microwave, and then your living room area. So this thing's sticking out. You do have your hidden storage behind your entertainment center, which is really nice. You also have a couch on the front wall of this destination trailer that does fold into a bed. Theater seating, freestanding dinette with wireless charger already built in. And then off of your kitchen, you have a little coffee bar. Super cute, right next to your control panel. And then we have a half bath off of the bathroom. So the ceilings in here are just insane. You have storage out the wazoo, sink, porcelain toilet, and then if we make our way towards the middle, we're gonna find your main bedroom. So, king size bed, nice LED lit up headboard, shelves and chargers on either side, and then storage underneath this king size mattress. Across from here, you're going to have tons of storage. So, TV backer, storage on the left, storage on the right, storage down below. We're bringing all the clothes, guys. At the very back of this trailer, we're gonna find your rear bathroom. So, washer dryer prep on the right here, or maybe just storage if that wasn't enough storage for you in the bedroom. Huge shower, tons of headroom up in there. You also have the nice oak seat, porcelain toilet, and then dual vanity, guys. I love to see a dual vanity. It's just so, it brings it all together, really. All right, guys, I want to know what you guys thought about this camper. This is going to be your 2025 Sierra Destination Trailer 388JW. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Freestanding dinette with wireless charger already built in, and then off of your kitchen,